In this demonstration, you learn how to create a Gemini Enterprise application and connect it to diverse data stores, including Google Drive, Google Calendar, and Google Cloud Storage. You will then explore some of its capabilities, from using pre-built agents and Notebook LM. To get started, from the Google Cloud Console, search for Gemini Enterprise. From the search results, select the Gemini Enterprise product. On the Gemini Enterprise homepage, select Create Your First App. Give your app a name, for example, Symbol Foods Marketing Team, and then select Create. Your Gemini Enterprise application is created. Before you can use the app and share it with your workforce, you need to configure your identity settings. Select Setup Identity. Choose Google Identity as your identity provider, and then select Confirm Workforce Identity. You are now ready to connect your data sources to your new Gemini Enterprise application. Select Connected Data Stores. From the Connected Data Stores page, you can add your first data store by selecting New Data Store. Locate the Google Drive card and select it. Choose to sync all of your organization's shared drives and then select Continue. Give your data store a name, for example, Google Drive, and then select Create. Google Drive is now connected. Next, let's add Google Calendar as another data store. Locate and select Google Calendar. Give your data connector a name, such as Google Calendar, and then select Create. Both Google Drive and Google Calendar are now connected. Finally, let's add cloud storage as a data store for our application. Locate and select the cloud storage card. For the data type, select Documents, because we are importing unstructured documents like PDFs, HTML, and TXT. For synchronization frequency, select One Time, because the files will be ingested once. And then select Browse to choose a specific Google Cloud Storage bucket to import. Find the appropriate cloud storage bucket and then choose Select. With all options selected, click Continue. Give your data store a name such as Cloud Storage, and then select Create. We successfully connected 3 different data stores. Next, let's go back to the Overview page. You can share the new Gemini Enterprise application with your workforce using this unique URL. Let's select the URL so we can open our newly created app and explore its various features. The Gemini Enterprise homepage is designed to give your workforce easy access to the most useful pre-built agents and tools. Let's start by entering a prompt. In the prompt box, write, "Give me an update on our latest marketing data," and then select the Submit button. Gemini processes your query, performs a search across both internal and external data sources, and then provides a context-aware response. Next, let's start a new chat. We can change our search parameters by selecting the Enhance Your Conversation button. You can generate videos with Veo, generate images with Nano Banana, and more. Let's set it to search only internal sources. Write a multimodal prompt. Summarize the customer sentiment pie chart, and then select the Submit button. Gemini searches your internal sources and generates a response based on the pie chart image. Next, let's explore a couple of Gemini Enterprise's pre-built agents. Go to Idea Generation. Idea generation is useful when you need a team of agents to plan, generate, and evaluate ideas on your topic. Let's see how it works. Enter the prompt. Help me brainstorm a new marketing campaign for Gen Z customers based on our latest products. And then select Submit. After a few minutes, Gemini generates a marketing campaign plan for your review. Scroll down to the end of the plan. If you are happy with the plan, select Start Session to start generating ideas. After a few minutes, your team of AI agents generate multiple ideas for your review. Next, let's see how another pre-built agent works. Go to Deep Research. The Deep Research agent is useful for performing in-depth analysis and generating comprehensive reports on complex topics. Enter the prompt. Research the latest marketing tips and tricks that food companies are using, and generate a list of actionable steps our company can take to improve our current marketing strategy. And then select the Submit button. Gemini drafts a research plan for your review. Scroll down to the end of the plan. Review the research plan, modify it if necessary, and then select Start Research. After a few minutes, a comprehensive report and an audio summary are generated for your review. Finally, let's explore the powerful Notebook LM tool. From the Pinned section, select Notebook LM. With Notebook LM, you can upload content from various sources and then transform that source content into a variety of dynamic formats. To get started, select Create New Notebook. Your source content can be a combination of Google Docs, website URLs, YouTube videos, and copied text. For this demonstration, let's upload files from our hard drive. Choose the files you want to use as source content, and then select Open. We entered the prompt. What audience did the Spring Cookie promotion target? Notebook LM responded with a context-aware response. Women aged 25 to 55 who are interested in baking and desserts in Oakland, California. A useful feature in Notebook LM is the ability to save responses as notes, so you can easily access them later. To experience the true value of Notebook LM, go to the Studio tab. Studio is where you can transform your source material into a variety of dynamic formats, such as audio, videos, mind maps, and various types of reports. Let's generate a video overview. After a few minutes, a 5-minute video presentation titled Marketing by the Numbers is generated for your review. This is the end of the video demonstration. Thank you for watching.